Understanding objective tests. A simple guide. Hello, and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore a common term used in education and testing: objective tests. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or just curious about language testing, this video will help you understand what objective tests are and why they're important. Objective tests are a type of assessment where questions have a single correct answer. Unlike subjective tests, where answers may vary based on opinion or personal interpretation, objective tests have clear, unambiguous right or wrong answers. Examples include multiple-choice questions, true-false questions, and fill-in-the-blank questions. These tests are widely used because they are easy to score and provide a consistent measure of a student's knowledge. The key characteristics of objective tests include: 1. Standardization. Each question has a predetermined answer, and all test takers are evaluated against the same criteria. 2. Reliability. These tests tend to be more reliable as they minimize the chances of scoring bias. 3. Efficiency. They are quicker to grade compared to subjective tests. 4. Focus. Objective tests usually focus on specific facts, vocabulary, grammar rules, or other concrete pieces of knowledge. Advantages. Fairness. All students are assessed using the same standard. Quantifiable results. They provide clear, numerical scores that are easy to interpret. Wide coverage. Teachers can test a broader range of topics in a shorter time. Disadvantages. Limitation in scope. They may not assess deeper understanding or critical thinking skills. Guessing. Students might guess answers, leading to less accurate assessments of their true knowledge. Test anxiety. Some students might perform poorly under the pressure of objective tests. To excel in objective tests, focus on memorizing key facts and details. Practice with sample questions to get familiar with the format. Develop good test-taking strategies, like eliminating obviously wrong answers in multiple-choice questions. Objective tests are a common and useful tool in education, providing a straightforward way to assess knowledge. By understanding their characteristics, advantages, and disadvantages, you can better prepare for these tests and appreciate their role in learning. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.